Today is a tutorial on making ink transitions using ink materials. First, open the VideoAE software. Because it comes with a material library, click Make Video to enter the production page. First, import the picture or video material we want to make. Then we add the transition material if you have it. Add it from your phone. If you don't have the video material you need in the video material, click Add to use it if the size of the material is not suitable. Remember to adjust the size. Then set the duration of the image layer to be the same as the duration of the material layer. Select the image layer below and turn to the last button mat on the toolbar and select the third effect. Note that the black here is not actual black, but is displayed as black because there is no background color. In fact, the black area here is transparent. At this time, add another image and the duration is the same as that of other layers. Adjust this image to bottom through order, and you can see that the bottom image is just displayed in the black part. Such an ink transition effect is ready. Have you learned it?